आज हम पढ़ा न्यूक्लिक एसिड which was discovered by Frederick Miescher in 1869. He named it as nuclein. It was Altman who coined the term nucleic acid. Actually, Altman found the acidic properties of this nucleic acid, so he named it as nucleic acid. Now, the structure of nucleic acid. Actually, गोटे न्यूक्लिक एसिड अनेक गुड़े न्यूक्लियोटाइड को नहीं तैयारी था and one nucleotide is composed of one phosphate molecule, one pentose sugar and one nitrogenous base. Okay. Nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base, these are of two types, that is purine, which are heterocyclic, nine-membered, ring and numbered double ring structure. These are of again two types, that is adenine and guanine. Second, pyrimidine. These are also heterocyclic, six-membered, single ring structure. These are cytosine, thiamine and uracil. Here adenine, guanine and cytosine, these three are found in both DNA and RNA, while thiamine is present only in DNA, uracil is found only in RNA. Is that clear? Next, there are two types of linkages or bonds, that is N glycosidic linkage. It is present or it is used for attaching sugar and nitrogenous base to form a nucleoside. गोटे पेंटोज सुगर आ गोटे नाइट्रोजनस बेस दुईटा मिसले गोटे न्यूक्लियोसाइड हुए एंड ए दुईटा को जो बॉन्ड मिसौची दैट इज ग्लाइकोसाइडिक लिंकेज. क्लियर? When adenine is combined with a sugar that is called adenosine, and this adenosine when combines with a phosphate molecule, this is now called adenosine monophosphate or AMP, you can say. Adenine sugar equal to adenosine, adenosine plus phosphate equal to adenosine monophosphate, जोटा को आमे गोटे न्यूक्लियोटाइड कहबा. एक्चुअली न्यूक्लियोटाइड आमे कहूचे सुगर, नाइट्रोजनस बेस एंड ए फॉस्फेट मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, तीनटा मिसले गोटे न्यूक्लियोटाइड होची. ए सुगर और नाइट्रोजनस बेस को न्यूक्लियोसाइड कहा जाउची. देन न्यूक्लियोसाइड प्लस फॉस्फेट इक्वल टू न्यूक्लियोटाइड. सिमिलरली guanine plus sugar equal to guanosine, guanosine plus phosphate equal to guanosine monophosphate, cytosine plus sugar equal to cytidine, cytidine plus phosphate equal to cytidine monophosphate. Like that, uracil in case of RNA and thymine in case of uracil plus sugar equal to uridine, uridine plus phosphate, uridine monophosphate. Actually adenosine, guanosine, this is in case of RNA. In case of DNA, in case of DNA, adenine plus sugar, it will be deoxyadenosine. Okay, DNA केस रे आमे adenine आउ sugar को मिसेले पाउचे deoxyadenosine, and adenosine monophosphate जोटा को आपने RNA रे कहूचे एठी को हजबो कोन ना deoxy-AMP. Similarly here deoxyguanosine, and this is deoxyguanosine monophosphate. Here deoxy, and it will be deoxycytidine monophosphate. And as we know, DNA रे uracil न थाए, thymine थाए. So uracil will be replaced by thymine. Thymine plus sugar, it will be thymidine. Thymidine plus phosphate, it will be deoxythymidine plus phosphate, it will be okay. तो एबे हमें फर्स्ट मन रखिबा न्यूक्लिक एसिड इज मेड अप ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. Each nucleotide is composed of 3 components: one sugar, one nitrogenous base, and one phosphate group. Sugar plus nitrogenous base ए दुटा मिसले न्यूक्लियोसाइड कहा जाउची. न्यूक्लियोसाइड प्लस फॉस्फेट मॉलिक्यूल इक्वल टू न्यूक्लियोटाइड. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट आमे पढिबा नेक्स्ट क्लास रे.